Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today we are doing extra long coffin nails, and I start by applying my first bead of acrylic towards the tip. This is the core white acrylic from Young Nails, and I am going to be doing an ombre on this nail and my index finger, so I'm just doing white on this tip and I'll be doing white on my index finger as well. Also, I'm using my Panna number 12 Kalinsky brush, Mia's Secret monomer, and the extra long coffin tips from Thai Beauty. And I'll make sure to blend the white acrylic up so that it's not a harsh line when it's time for me to do the ombre. I use Cover Rose Pink, which is also by Young Nails, to do the ombre. And I just grab a medium bead of acrylic and I feather it down so it blends with the white acrylic. I will be encapsulating these nails as well, so I'm not too worried about the dips in the nails because again, they're going to be encapsulated with clear acrylic. On my middle finger, I'm using that rose pink as well, but this nail is going to be a color block nail. So I start from where the tip and the natural nail meet, and I go down just a bit, and I try my hardest to get that line straight, because again, this is going to be a color block nail, but I want to go down maybe about a third of the nail. And while I let my middle nail dry, I go ahead and encapsulate my pinky and my index finger. And today I'm using Clear Acrylic by Mia Secret. I'm doing some encapsulated glitter on my ring finger. So I start by applying a very thin layer of the Mia Secret Clear Acrylic. And then I use my brush. I dip it in a little monomer just so that I'm able to grab the glitter. And then I just kind of spread it out over the nail until I like how it looks. And once I'm satisfied with the glitter placement, I encapsulate that nail with clear acrylic. And then once this nail has dried, I use my 80/80 grit nail file to file and shape this nail just to make sure I get it as straight as possible. And I'm using that same blue glitter as before, but this time I picked it up with a small bead of clear acrylic, and I'm just patting that glitter in place until it is exactly how I want it to be. And last but not least, I add the white acrylic to the tip of the nail. And I will be encapsulating this nail in clear acrylic as well. And I went ahead and file shaped and buffed these nails off camera because they are so long. So it definitely took me a while. And now I'm going in with my design. And for today's design, I'm doing a V-cut French tip, and I'm only doing it on my ring finger. And this color is a mixture of light blue from Beetles as well as a Beetles glitter polish, and I'm using that color on this nail here. And as I top coat all the nails, I decided to add these little blue stones to my pinky finger just to pull the set together. And I think it turned out so cute. And I'm so glad I decided to do this color block nail on my middle finger because it turned out so cute. It's definitely my favorite nail of this set because it's just so pretty. Look at the glitter and the white. It's just really, really, really cute. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They look so cute. Oh my God, the encapsulated glitter is just so pretty. It's definitely my favorite set so far for the new year. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.